Unit 7. Matter and Material. Matter. There are three basic states of matter. Number 1. Solid. A. Pencil. B. Stone. Number 2. Liquid. A. Water. B. Shampoo. Number 3. Gas. A. Air in balloon. B. Steam from boiling water. Light a candle. See what happens. Material. Let's see around us. Everything is made up of some material. A. Glass. Number 1 bulb. Number 2 mirror. Number 3 windows. B. Rubber. Number 1 balloon. Number 2 tire. Number 3 toy. C. Metal. Number 1 nail. Number 2 knife. Number 3 magnet. D. Wood. Number 1 door. Number 2 table. Number 3 chair. Tick the correct state of matter. Number 1 liquid. Number 2 solid. Number 3 gas. Number 4 solid. Number 5 liquid. Number 6 solid. Write G for glass, R for rubber, M for metal and W for wood materials.